Hey guys, another Toonly tutorial, and today I want to show you how you can bring to front or set to back or backward your objects in Toonly. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Without further ado, 1, 2, 3.
So first is you need to go to your Toonly, so log into your Toonly, and then like go in here. So I will not, go in here, and then let's say, okay, in this video, I want this girl. I want to replace this girl with a normal, I don't want the chef clopping something in here because this is about like restaurant opening. So I'm gonna replace that with a generic character. So unlike Toonly, the bummer with the Toonly is it doesn't have options for you to just replace the character. It's not similar with I would say Powtoon and Beyond that has a replace function. So right now Toonly doesn't have that. So what you can do first is you need to select the character first. So I want to have a diversity characters type, so we can also use this African American character, and then you need to drag that into the scene. Okay, so that's already the person. So I will kind of resize it a little bit so it match on the other characters in the scene. Okay, so right now, and I need to replace this girl. So for you to, by the way, for you to remove the girl, so you just the characters or any kind of objects into your scene, simply click the character itself, okay, and then you click that delete icon. Now this girl, I want that to be replaced on the shaft one, so we put it in there. And then as you can see here right now, this is basically the character, okay, this one. And I want this, so if you play this one, okay, let's try to play the scene. So as you can see here, like we don't want that, we don't want this to be happen. So we need to hide this girl on the other objects that we put, because we have some like this background over here.
Learn World is always my recommendation to my clients every time they want to create an online courses. You can use the link below to get a 30 days free trial and see if Learn World's fit for you. I also have tutorials about Learn World, so check out my description, or I'm gonna put it in here to see some of my tutorials in Learn World. I tell you, there's a lot of features in Learn World that could be really helpful for your marketing strategy. Let's get back to the tutorial.
So first, I will click this character and then click the to background. So to background, as you can see here, when I click this to background, like it moves backward. So it means bring to front. Now if you wanted to bring to front, simply click this one, to foreground. So you can see the character again is visible. As I said, I want this to be hidden on the first intro. We don't want that. So I'm going to click the bring to backward until it goes in this part, like in this part. I want it to be grouped there. So let's try to play that, and I'm going to match this one over here as well. Okay, so let's play this first. Okay, so right now we bring it. Okay, so I need to see the girl here. Okay, so you can see this one, like this is the girl, and I want to replace that with a walking scene. Okay, so walk, and then I'm gonna add another animation. So I want to add another clapping animation. So let's look for word clapping. So that, and then I can just stretch that out. So if you play that, so that's the girl over here, over there. So yeah, let's try. So it already matched to that, to the character itself.
Are you looking for an affordable way to outsource your tasks? Better check out Fiverr. I'm gonna put the link below so you can have the free credits. So, what is Fiverr? Basically, Fiverr allows you to outsource your tasks for as low as $5 per month. There's a lot of contractors there that offer a lot of services that could be really helpful for your business. Anyway, let's get back to the tutorial.
So as again, if you want also to flip the girl, first is you need to select the characters. So if I select the characters and I want to flip it, you can also do that way. But of course, we just want it to match on the other sections there. So that's basically how it works for clipping. And if you want again to like change another animation, you can even just like every time, every section, okay, every entry and exit, like positioning, you have an ability to change the animation settings. So if you want her to come up with a 3 animation, the girl, you want to come up with a 3 animation. So she walks, she clap, and then she drink. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that, this one, another like scene. I just wanted to keep, like, I just want to have a 2 animation, walking and clapping. As always, if you want this person, like this African American, to have a 2 3 animations, simply do that and then choose your preferred like animation thing. So let's try to play that. As you can see here, like this girl is clapping, is dancing. So we come up with a 3 scenes: the walking, clapping, and dancing. Anyway, let me just remove this one because I just preferred to have 2 animation. So that's it, guys. Hope that works. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you want me to create another Toonly tutorial, just comment down below. Thank you.